Hello, it is me, Slidey Pigeon 9, or Magic, or Blade Boy 7, broadcasting from the depths of the Darklands with some infected murder mystery with the don't know how to describe her exactly. Lightning.
Crazy person. TSW. The Swiftest Wolf / whatever you want to call me.
Hey, that doesn't make sense. At least MLR makes sense. People pronounce it Muller. Some pronounce Miller. Muller.
Some people say Lightning SW, not Lightning TSW.
Those people are wrong though. They're morally
They're missing out a T.
Clearly.
Obviously.
Hello everyone.
Greetings.
Hello.
Children.
Please, by the end of the video, like, comment, subscribe. I need the subs, views, or my family gets killed.
Rip. And then there's me, who's... I'm gonna just randomly stop my video in the middle of this.
Please don't. Please do, and then tell everyone to go over here to this video.
Yeah.
This video right here, where we're getting into some murder mystery infected on Hypixel.
Hypixel.
Of which I was definitely not banned at any point for any kind of auto clicker.
Clucky was though. Clucky, promote that instead of your ban.
Yes,
he was banned by the way.
Clucky, Magic Clucky, don't sub to him. He's a cheater. He cheats at
everything. He used auto clicker. He used an auto clicker against me, and he expected me to, he was expecting me to try and fight and try and win, but it was useless.
To be fair, I'm sure if someone was good enough, they would have beaten him, so...
But I'm not good enough. I'm gonna get killed.
I never said that.
I'm not good enough.
You're very adequate in what you do. I don't know. I don't know what you do exactly. So far, most of what you do, you describe, is just watching this show called Sherlock.
No, I do other stuff. I act myself sometimes.
Oh, I'm not doubting that. It's just all I've heard you do is... All I've heard you do and reference ever is watching Sherlock.
Oh, by the way, I'm watching Sherlock right now. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I thought you were watching Dan the Shell minecart.
Wait, I should probably put that off so I don't get any don't get any copyright off of him.
Yes.
Do I want to get new copyright?
I cannot find any survivors. Like
I'm a survivor.
Just elusive. No, speaking of copyright.
Yeah.
Please, I'm a big fan.
I was singing. I'm a survivor, I'm gonna make it. I'm a survivor, I'm a survivor.
Okay,
you're welcome.
One way or another, we are flanking these survivors.
Yes. I'm in the haunted house. Coming to get you. But I can't get you, basically.
I don't... Yeah.
I'm coming to get you, but not you. On Minecraft. 1v1 me on Minecraft. Can I please drop through?
There's just like 3 of them in the lava pit.
Oh.
Whoa,
I'm stuck in a door. I'm glitching in a... Oh, never mind. I just fell into the void.
Going into another round of zombies.
Another round. Another round.
I was eating pasta. I had to mute my mic because I was eating some pasta.
It's pasta. It's pasta.
No, it's pasta. It's kind of like a taco. It's kind of like a taco pasta hybrid that I make. I've been making it all my life. I was born for that purpose, and I'll die for that purpose.
My name is Edna Mold, darling. Edna Mold. I'm Edna Mold.
Oh yeah. How did you like Incredibles 2?
It was amazing.
Did you think it was vastly better than the first one, or just really, really better than the first one?
Like, the animations were better, because they've improved their animations since 14 years ago. But I like both of them as much as each other.
Oh, no, please! Ow!
Wait, what? Are you infected? Oh, wait.
I took out, like, 2 infected before I became an infected myself.
Someone just backstabbed me.
Yeah. Welcome to YouTube. We're all backstabbing shills. I don't know why I'm welcoming you to YouTube, because I've been YouTubing less than you. YouTubing Generally.
Yeah, I've at least had a year on YouTube now, but I hardly upload because I've got like all the other stuff I gotta do.
Oh
Because
yeah.
I gotta do what I gotta do.
All I have is free time and buttloads of money.
Yeah,
very
because
hard
you're
life.
expensive.
It's a very hard
Like
life.
you just, it's hard not life for us. I'm probably getting you loads of copyrights by me singing these songs.
Yeah, that's why I'm just gonna bleep out everything you say.
Bleep, bleep, bleep. I might as well just do it for you. Just bleep. Honey, where's my super suit?
I just mistook one of the salespeople, like one of the shop people, for a player, and I tried to just smack them with a sword. It's like, no,
Wow.
that is not how life works.
I found a survivor. He just shot me, and he's on a tree. And now I have to re-find
How did that not hit?
said tree.
Oh, buddy, I know where a survivor is.
Oh,
coming to get
buddy.
him. Oh, buddy, it's here. It's me, Shill ASF. I'm just gonna call all YouTubers shills and get myself hate comments. Oh,
Haters.
buddy!
Haters gonna hate. Baby, I'm just gonna shake.
Honestly, not the best Taylor Swift song, but not even close as bad as
Well, look what you made me do.
No, that's good. What?
Look what you made me do.
Who did I just run into who doesn't like it? Look what you made me do. What animal did I just encounter?
No, I like that song. It's just a random Taylor Swift song.
Yeah.
I don't know. I don't know most of her songs, to be honest. I don't really listen to her.
I was gonna say not as bad as Blank Space.
Blank space, baby, and now what's your name?
I always like to think that's about a death note.
Yes.
Yes.
Light
It's
Yagami.
all about the well-known anime Death Note.
Where everyone dies. How did that guy get there?
What?
I just realised I can zoom in because I got Optifine on.
Cheater?
Woo.
Hacker?
It's not cheating, is it?
Banner,
No,
ASAP, come on, ban.
No, it doesn't
ban
zoom
the
in.
lightning,
It doesn't help.
ban the lightning, ban
it
the
doesn't-
lightning.
Hello everyone, it's Lightning here and welcome back to another video where today we are playing Infection Murder Mystery, and that means it's Murder Mondays again, and meaning I got a blade boy, whoever it is, slurping.
Just like Shill ASF.
Oh my god.
Remember, kids, always sell out. It is me, Blade Boy, or Slidey Pigeon, and Lightning. You can't say that.
It's
Please
Lightning
tell
SW.
Please tell
It's
me.
Lightning SW.
Please tell me that you didn't. Please tell me that you recorded right after the bit where you said a bunch of swear words. Oh, mid-shot. Yeah.
I've never swore.
Yeah, probably, except that massive bout of cursing and swearing before you started recording.
I didn't.
It sounds to me like someone's trying to cover something up.
You filthy liar.
Hey, I've already been called cheating scum by your friend Magic. Or Shill...
What?
Or Shill Ducky 7.
It was Clucky has like
Ducky? His name is Ducky?
Ducky, whoever he is. He's Ducky on Minecraft, so I can call him by that. But yeah, he's got banned for autism. Ha, lol.
Yeah, he's Ducky.
Infection guys. Oh, I'm dead. I'm in my detective uniform anyway today, because I haven't done Murder Mondays for ages, so I needed to do it again.
I played a few rounds before recording. Oh, no. I played a few rounds before recording, and it just got me so infuriated. It was so
infuriated. Oh my god, how can you do this to me?
I was so angry.
Can you feel?
I mean, it's great to finally talk to you, Lightning. I have been talking to you for some time as people who have seen my
Yeah.
explosion onto YouTube. I am the growing sensation, the chill down YouTube spine, as I am going to take over.
YouTube, and I'll help you because I'll
What-
give you my channel. I'll help you. Give you my channel.
Just giving me your channel. Oh, that's smart. Someone's on top of a. I wish you could throw knives. I wish you could throw your swords.
I don't think you can. Oh crap! Someone's gonna get me.
There's someone on top of a
How are
tree.
they on that? Wait. Let me get out. It won't let me get out the minecart. It won't let me get out the minecart so I can get the person on the tree. How
Yeah, you
rude.
cannot get out. There's no escape. Like
How
no way
how is
out.
he up there? How is
Like-
he up there then? Because I'm
Oh.
confused.
Maybe he's like the solid snake. Maybe he has wall hacks.
Hacks. I call hacks on everyone. Even you. Are you using your auto clicker?
No. I'm not playing a 7-year-old in 1v1, so I'm not using my auto clicker.
1v1 me on Minecraft.
What? Cash me outside, how boot that?
Catch me outside. How about that?
Oh. Wah! Wah! Great, we won.
Can you feel the love tonight?
I thought you were
Because
going.
Playboy's going to marry Magic Lucky 7.
Don't say that in front of everyone. The age
Oh.
difference makes it creepy. I'm 115 and he's 1.
Wait, haven't you announced the wedding yet?
No, this is not gonna be the Marome. We are not gonna be Marome.
Can you feel the infection?
Yes.
Just zooming into my face as I walk like my sassy self. I'm not sassy. I know someone who is sassy. My so-called friend.
Magic?
No, Magic isn't sassy. He's a chicken and he walks around like a chicken.
He's a duck.
He's a chicken. He's both. He's a hybrid.
As a duck and pigeon myself, I understand this hybrid because I'm both smart ducky and slidey pigeon.
I am both a wolf, lightning strike and a wolf. So I'm
Lightning strike.
mutated.
Oh, okay.
I'm a lightning. Pachoo! Lightning
Oh,
crashes
you're like
down.
Like Zapdom.
Pachoo!
The Pokemon
I'm
Zapdom.
Basically, I'm just a mix of a Pokemon and a wolf. Like pew pew pew.
But, well, basically
With lightning though.
By the way, basically what's happening right now is that our voices are being recorded and just like dubbed over some
Yes.
playing of the game because we're not really commentating. We're not really like
No,
calling
not at
out.
all.
We're just
We're just having a conversation, but
yeah,
to be honest.
really, we're just having conversation because we haven't
Because
talked
why not?
IRL ever. Hey, behind you,
No.
behind you. Psst, psst, psst. Hey, hey.
It's
What do you think of my
you.
skin? What do you think of my skin? It's
I'm
a rep-
zooming into it.
it's real life
Pose. Do a
repres-
strike a pose.
A friend actually made this for me.
I made my own skin. Pew.
That's what you get for making your own skin. You don't have a legion of fans to design skins for you like Magic.
I didn't do a competition. I wanted to make my own skin to make it personal, you know?
Oh yeah, that makes sense. I must have like 5 or so skins on in a folder on my desktop.
Me too. Because, oh wait, I still need to, like, there'll be planned a roleplay and I'm meant to be writing the script soon, but I'm not
Ah.
doing it at all.
I
Oh, by the way, do you want to roll in it? Just winking, nudging it towards you. Do you want the roll?
what's the role?
It is one of the main characters. Because all of them's main characters in the thing, because I can't be bothered to make them less main. I've got his name.
What? So, what?
So you'll be just playing someone that I don't remember the name of.
Okay. So it won't be like, okay, so just like a cameo sort of thing?
No, it's
Okay.
it's a proper character in it, and then I'm giving away the whole plot. To be honest, I
Oh,
shouldn't be giving away the
don't
plot.
worry, I can always just have this edited out, bleeped, like the time
Bleep.
you released a massive chain of swearing and curse words
I
before
didn't
you
swear.
started recording. Well, your viewers will have to pop over to my video to see.
I didn't.
And while you're here, like, comment, and subscribe.
On both of us. Remember to subscribe
just
to
mine.
me.
Just mine.
No, subscribe to me too. 'Cause-
I need the subs more. I have no fan base. I don't even have a Discord server.
Rip. I made it really early on when I had like 10 subscribers. Yeah.
I'm gonna make it probably when I have like 27 or something. Like when I actually I'm picking up some steam on to YouTube's.
27. Well, I got 100 and something. I don't remember my
I
own
said
subscriber
25.
count.
When right now
Well,
I
I
have
have
none.
100.
Right now I have none.
Wow.
But I do
I'm
have.
subscribed.
But what I do
I'm
have
subscribed.
is 3 old accounts on YouTube, so I can pretty much hit most like goals.
Wow.
Like that-
It's yours liking
you
your
know
life.
that bet we made?
Don't tell me. That was all
we made
you.
we made a bet that I released her
I
off
drew
because
out.
it was a stupid bet. But the bet was if my first video got more than 7 likes, which was at the time the amount of likes that her latest video got, then she would have to endorse my channel for her next 10 videos.
But I can't be bothered to do that because I hardly ever upload.
Yeah, and of course it's a silly bet, so I wouldn't even bother enforcing it, and I'm lagging. Yeah.
Ha, you're
yeah.
in front of me. Pew, pew, pew.
And the thing is, the reason I hit the like goal so easily was because I have 3 alt accounts.
Who cares about YouTube? Because I'm announcement time. I may be getting an agent for acting. Ooh. And I'm surprised that I'm even allowed to.
Yeah, you are like 5, so I don't really get why you're
I'm
allowed
not
to.
5!
We should just make
Chat
a podcast.
We should.
I've made a podcast before, and I should just make a podcast. That's all.
Yeah,
I should
just
do.
our podcast. And then just, like, if Clucky was here, he would just be he'll be actually doing talking about the game.
Well,
But, we're talking about our conversations.
to be fair, all I did at the time, or he did at the time, wasn't really talking about the game, more just cheating.
Yeah, that's all he does.
Yep.
It's like, oh my god, look at me.
Look-
Okay, my impression of him.
Oh, hi! I'm here to cheat and go outside of the map for 5 hours while Blade Boy has to edit it out. The 5 hours I was outside of the map, and then I take stacks worth of the spider spawn eggs and claim that Blade Boy's in
Woo.
creative mode.
Oh my god, Blade Boy is in creative. How
To be
how
fair-
does he hack? I don't
to be-
understand.
To be fair, I was in creative at the time, but that's neither here nor there.
No one needs to know that. Just bleep that out. Bleep. We could literally just make a Twitch account, like stream thing, just us Twitch streaming.
Oh yeah, someone I knew actually suggested that I just stream because I find editing... Yes! I just parkoured and
I know,
just
but then-
nibbled at someone's ankles.
But then you won't be able to talk about the cheating of Clucky.
Yeah, Ducky.
How Ducky, Clucky, whoever it is.
Yeah, he
I
let
don't
his
even
fans
know
change his
Who
name.
is he? Who is he anymore? I don't use bots. I honestly don't use bots at all.
Yeah, just say that
Huh.
a few more times for YouTube to hear you and believe you. Sure.
Oh my! I don't use bots.
You don't use bots. You just chill, right?
Yeah. I'll just say
Yeah.
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Just chill. Just chill. By the way, you can buy my merch in the little description. $100 for a backpack. Got solid gold, a solid cheap fabric gold backpack, which will disintegrate with the slightest sniff of rain.
And then there's me who hasn't even got my merch up anymore.
Yeah. Oh, why not?
I'm gonna put it. No, it's because like the website I was using was like, oh, you can only have it up for a certain amount of days. So I'm gonna put it back up soon. So keep your eye out, kids. And I
Ah.
may add in a limited edition.
I really hope.
kids.
I'm just
I
gonna-
call everyone kids.
I'm just gonna buy
I call
your...
my mum a kid. Yeah.
What a mum?
My mother.
What a mother?
It is. It's the woman who takes care of you since from birth.
A nurse?
No.
A doctor? A doctor?
No. No. A midwife. I'm joking. It's the person who's genetic. I'm not explaining.